So we're going to review some comparing. So we're going to be choosing from greater than, less than, or equal to. Now, you can do these multiple ways. I like to determine where the decimal is. Right here, the decimal is invisible. So if I put the decimal here, it would change it to, first I say it's 7. If I put the decimal here, it's 7/10. Only when I put the decimal here is it still 7. It doesn't change the value. Now that I have the decimal, you can, one, compare left to right, comparing equivalent numbers from the same, not equivalent numbers. You're going to compare numbers from the same place value. Highest place value I have is 1s. There's nothing in the 1s, nothing is 0. So that would make this greater. Another way to do it is line them up. Okay, so I just bring this one over here, and you can always add zeros and compare, and 7 is greater than 0. So my answer either way is 0. So this is the first number that is different. I can add a 0 here and say, well, 7's greater. All right. So whether you do it left to right or whether you line up the decimal, you still have to compare the same place value. The greatest place value in either of the numbers is the 1s, so that's where we would start. In this one, there's nothing in the 1s. The first one that is the same is in the tenths. And they're the same, so I would move to the next number. This one is 7, 0, and then this is 7, nothing. Well, in math, nothing is something. Nothing is 0. So they are actually both equal. Now let's do one more. So we start comparing left to right. So this one goes out to thousands, this one goes out to thousands. So 1 and 1, 1,000, the same. 200, 200. 50, 50. 3, 3. Okay, now I'm at the decimal point, going to the right of the decimal point. 7/10, 7/10. 8 hundredths, 8 hundredths. The first one that is different is the thousandths. So we have 6 thousandths and 7 thousandths. 6 is less than 7. All right, but you still had to compare all the way across. Sometimes they'll make a number, one of these big numbers different and expect you to miss it because there will only be just a couple numbers different. You have to compare every number either left to right or line them up. I would align this one up. I would have said the same, the same, the same, the same, the same, the same, different. All right. I don't care how you do it, but you're comparing equivalent place values on each number. You're going to start with the highest place value and see which one is different. And then once you find which one is different, identify which one is greater. That's the basics.